You might be asking what's going on with the markets? Up, down, what's happening? We hear that there is uncertainty especially when the president speaks and the speech is not very clear, meaning it does not come with a clear conclusion. And that creates uncertainty in the investment community. What is affecting the most, and I have to say it like this, it's the inflation risk. It's not necessarily the war, but it's that the war is causing the price of the barrel of oil to be up. And oil, gas, diesel, all this is part of the input for most of the products that we consume. So at the end of the day, we will see a higher price in all these products. So that's the inflation risk that we are facing. Now, as an investor, if you remember correctly, a year ago, on April 2nd, we had a similar story when the tariffs were announced. It was the inflation risk of the tariffs. But what happened? The markets were down, but then the markets were up for the rest of the year. I'm not telling you that the markets will be up this year because I do not know. But what I can say is that the markets tend to be up over the long run. So even if you see this, day-to-day volatility, you have to understand that this is how markets perform. And if you have more capital in times when you see the market dropping, it's a good time to be investing more. If your mindset is long-term, this is a good time to be investor. And we in the community here at Finhabits, we are honestly, we are ready for this. And that's why I'm excited, right? Because we as investors need to understand this information and need to remove that panic. Ignore the panic, ignore the news, think long term and keep investing.